Him kill him own blood if he get rich and still couldn't find peace. Delroy was a simple man living in White Horses, St. Thomas, Jamaica. At 35, he worked a steady 9-to-5 job at a local hardware store. He had a loving wife, Jody, and a bright 7-year-old son, Taj. Life wasn't perfect, but it was enough. Bills paid, food on the table, and roof over their heads.
Me good.
Delroy always told himself.
I can't suffer in a life.
But everything changed the day he ran into his old high school friend, Kevin. Kevin looked like he stepped out of a magazine, the latest clothes, a flashy car, and a big house to match. One evening, they both decided to have a drink at a bar to catch up on things. While having champagne, Kevin laughed and said,
Yo, you still do the 9-to-5 thing?
He teased.
We can't live poor girls. We link up with some serious man, whole different level.
Delroy smiled on the outside, but inside, his heart sank. His small house, his worn shoes, and his ordinary life suddenly felt like chains.
You want more, yeah, man?
He whispered at night. It was then that Delroy met a mysterious man on a bus from Retreat Listens. Dressed all in white, smelling of camphor and dirt.
Your spirit heavy, my youth.
The man said softly.
Jealousy eat your soul like termite. Come knock 3 times on the red gate up a Cedar Valley Road. Deliverance await you.
Delroy followed the path, knocking 3 times on a wooden gate carved with strange symbols. Inside was the House of Ascension, a cult cloaked in candle light and secrets. The barefoot leader told him,
No crime, no violence, just obedience and offering. You want elevation? Sacrifice small now, and we bless you big.
At first, it was harmless tasks. Dropping sealed envelopes, lighting candles at strange gates, praying naked at riverside before sunrise. Then the money started flowing, 30 million left under his mattress. A brand new luxury car, a newly renovated house, and a hardware shop of his own. His wife Jody asked,
Delroy, where the money come from?
Courier work, not illegal.
Delroy said, but his eyes were cold. Then came the biggest test.
You want to be great?
The leader said,
Give up what you love most. 3 nights, no harm. Just hand over the boy. The boy belongs to the spirits now.
Delroy said no at first, but greedy and pride were louder than guilt. He brought Taj to the bush on a father-son trip and never looked back. 3 days later, Taj was found dead under his bed, eyes open, skin cold. No signs of illness or injury. Jody broke, she stopped cooking, laughing, living.
Delroy, what you do? God not talk to me again. Me dream the boy every night, and him cold. Him say it left him.
Delroy rage grew with his fortune. When contracts fell, he threw chairs. When his car was dented, he cursed the driver. He shouted at Jody.
Stop ball every damn minute. People lose picnic every day. You weak? Fix up yourself.
She looked at him with empty eyes.
You can't cuss me worse than how God already judge you.
Delroy nights were haunted. He heard Taj footsteps, smell baby powder in empty rooms. Somebody handprints on his shower glass. One night a message came to his phone from Taj's old number, long disconnected.
You ready to finish the deal?
He returned to Cedar Valley to find the cult place gone, gate burned, bamboo overgrown. No sign anyone had been there. Delroy dreamed Taj again, older, eyes gray, skin pale, mouth open with moths flying out.
Daddy, you're rich now, but you can't buy back peace.
Delroy woke up screaming, blood pouring for his nose. That same night, his mansion caught fire when the firemen left. They found a single white candle still burning, with Taj's name scratched into the wax. Weeks later, Delroy was naked in his burnt mansion bathtub, fingernails ripped out, muttering, me rich, but me can't sleep. On the bathroom mirror, written in blood, one word Taj.
You can't use blood for build up your name and think say it won't call you back. In sell peace for prosperity, but in at the end, in gain riches and lose everything that matters. What good is gain if you lose your soul?